this is Syuenny. Recently, I got the chance to play a lot with 3D printing pen, so that's why I decided to make this video today. In this video, I'm going to unbox a learning kit or a box that I've just purchased recently, which is this one. Ta-da! It's called MakeRex, so it is a product from the Citron Technologies. I brought it from their online marketplace. So let's follow me and unbox and see what's inside this box. Yay! Okay, so this is the MakeRex box, tools for junior makers. Okay, so the design is very cute. Here stated 3D pen, and it's a very cute little boy. 3D pen, and this dinosaur, if not mistaken, is called Dino. Right, a very cute dinosaur. Okay, let's see what's inside this box. Okay. Yep. So we open it up. Yeah, it's called Dino. So here is a sticker for everyone. Then a book. Oh, is it a book? Oh no, it's a card. So it's a welcoming card. Welcome junior maker. Okay. Then we open it up. There is a simple instruction on how to use the 3D pen. It's a 5-step simple instruction. Simple for everyone to understand. Yay! Then the behind, okay, it's a QR code to get more filaments. Yay! Then next, oh, this is a drawing book. The surface is actually very smooth. I think it's purposely made for 3D pen. Yeah, so there are lots of designs inside this drawing book. There are butterflies, flowers, then dragon, then rabbit. Oh, very cute rabbit. Then what else? See? Okay, cars and snowman. Yeah, this cute snowman. Okay, a book. There are lots of design inside to try out. And next, here is a diagram. So the diagram actually shows the different parts of the 3D pen: power input, filament input, buttons, different buttons, and the nozzle. Okay, then we open this up. So here are the 3D pens. Here is the 3D pen, and this is the filament. This is a PLA filament. I think I got 4 colors, 3 to 4 colors of filaments. Then here, this pack is the 3D pen. Yep. So let's open this. Gently. Okay, so here is the 3D pen. And then they also provides this adapter, 2-pin adapter. Then the wire. Okay, this is USB to connect here. And then this one is to connect to the 3D pen. Then last but not least, this one, the holder for the 3D pen. So it's supposed to put like this. Then we put our 3D pen here. Yay! Okay, simple and straightforward. Maybe just a simple introduction on this 3D pen. So this 3D pen, it only consists of a few buttons. That's why it is really straightforward and very kids friendly because it's very easy to use. Okay, so here you can see there's a hole here. This is actually to plug in our cable. So we plug in this one, and then we will power it up by connecting it to the adapter and then turn on the power. Okay, then after that, in front here there's another hole. This is actually for us to insert the filament. So depends on what color of filaments you want to use, then you just insert it. Okay, then here, this is a very tiny screen. It's actually show later when it power up, it will, when this 3D pen is heating up, here will actually show the temperature. So show the degrees Celsius, that so you can see the number will keep on increasing because it's heating up. Then after that, this is a down and up button to actually adjust the temperature. Then this side, there's also a down and up. So the up is actually to get the filament out, and then this press down is actually get the filament in. Okay, so it's also pretty straightforward because if you hold it like this, if you press up, then it is the filament goes up. Then if you press down, means that the filaments go down. Okay. Then this side, this is a speed control. So when you put it down, it will be faster, and then when you press it up, it will be slower. Okay, this one is to adjust the speed of the filament melting. And this one, the most important part is here. So this is, we call it as nozzle. So here is the place where it will get really hot. So when it is heating up to 200 degrees Celsius, here is the place that will actually be the 200 degrees Celsius. So be very careful not to touch here. Like no matter how, also don't touch this part. So even when it is on sleep mode or you turn it off, also don't directly touch here. So because it will still be hot. Yep, so I already power up my 3D pen. It is stated here 190 degrees Celsius, and I also already insert a red color filament. Okay, then I have another two colors here because I'm going to make this one, the flower. Okay, let's start. Yay! So this is the final product, a standing flower made by the 3D pen. Yay! So I've actually made this one as well, the dino. So this is the mascot for this product. So I make it using 3D pen, red color, black color, and I also make a stand for it. So it can stand like this. Yay! Very cute and cool. Personally, I think that 3D pen is a very fun and simple things for kids to learn about 3D drawing. And not just only for kids, if you are an adult who are very interested into this or who likes art, craft, designing, this is something that's worth invest to, because it is not too expensive, it is quite cheap, and the only things that you need to keep on purchasing is actually the filament. So filament also, it is not like super expensive thingy. So I think 3D pen is something that you should consider to have one at home and have fun sometimes. Yep, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoy seeing me unboxing and also doing the 3D drawing. So if you're interested in getting one of this product, go to Syuenny online marketplace, then place your order. Have fun playing with your 3D pen. Bye!